In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore page on Squarespace. If you've ever deleted a page by accident or changed your mind after a cleanup, don't worry. Squarespace makes it simple to bring that page back. I'll walk you through it clearly and calmly so you can follow along without any stress. First, head to your Squarespace dashboard and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Website. This takes you into the area where you manage everything related to your site's content and structure. It's the starting point for finding all your pages. Next, select Pages. This opens the Pages panel, which shows your site's navigation and any sections where pages live. Think of this as the control center for what appears on your website and how it's organized. Now, look for deleted pages and click it. This is where Squarespace keeps a list of pages you've removed. It functions like a temporary holding area, so you can review what's been deleted before it's gone for good. Opening this list helps you confirm the exact page you want to bring back, especially if you've removed more than one. From the Deleted Pages list, select the deleted page you want to recover. When you click it, you'll get a preview. Take a moment to look it over so you know it's the right one. This preview is helpful because it shows you the page's content as it was when you deleted it, giving you confidence before you take the final step. When you're sure, click Restore. Squarespace will bring the page back into your site. The content will return, and you can continue working with it just like before. Depending on your site's setup, it may return to your navigation or to a section where you can decide exactly where it should live. Either way, the key point is that your page is back. That's all there is to it. To recap the flow in simple terms, open Website, go to Pages, click Deleted Pages, select your page to preview it, and then click Restore. It's quick, it's safe, and it's designed to help you fix mistakes or undo changes without hassle. A couple of final tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're working on the correct site if you manage more than one, and always double-check the page in the preview before restoring so you bring back exactly what you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently restore your page in Squarespace.